Find out how I turn all of this to this using this Rotorazer Platinum. I worked with my son on a project and I was really pleased with it, so I had to get one of my own. Rotorazer was kind enough to send me a product so that I can test out and build another project to show you. So what I'm building today is a bat house. It's a perfect tool for that job because it's a small job. You don't have to get out your circular saw. You can use the Rotorazer. It gets all your cuts done. It's a nice little DIY project we're gonna build so that we can get rid of some of the pests around our house. And the first thing we need to do to build our bat house project is measure and mark all of our pieces. All right, gonna show you the cutting power that this Rotorazer Platinum has. The adjustable blade guard, I can cut as deep as it goes. For this particular project, I'm not going to be using the guide rail, but it is an added feature for this product. It's a wonderful addition. Rotorazer also comes with a sawdust extraction system. You hook it to the Rotorazer, it comes with its own hose, an adapter that hooks into your vacuum, and you just turn on your vacuum and start cutting, and the sawdust goes out right out of your way. All right, now I'm gonna make all of my cuts. Now I have all of my wood cut due to the fantastic help of the Rotorazer, and we're going to assemble our project. I put glue on one side, and it's water activated glue, so you put glue on one part, water on the other, let it sit for a second, and then you put the two pieces together. And it forms a very tight bond. Rotorazer also came with a bit and screw set. So we're going to go in here and pick out a drill bit that we need so we can set some screws. So we added some screen on the inside for the bats to be able to grip on to get inside this little narrow space. That's what we got going. All right, just finishing up the bat house here. We've put the roof on and the back and the sides. We've got the screen inside. Now we're putting on the rest of the cedar slats on the front, and we'll be done. And there you have it. Now we have one finished bat house. I like using the Rotorazer because it's lightweight and durable. It's easy to use, you can maneuver it well, and it's a wonderful little tool. It's the saw that does it all. Packs a punch with 4,500 RPMs for the Platinum version. It's a 7-in-1 saw. Rotorazer saw can replace all of these saws. Tile saw, circular saw, bandsaw, handsaw, miter saw, jigsaw, and hacksaw. 3 blades that are easy to change. Blades number 1, 2, and 3, we have a tungsten carbide blade, which is what is on the saw right now. Then there is the high-speed steel blade, which is this one here, and the diamond blade, which is for tile and ceramic. These blades will cut anything from PVC, drywall, carpet, and hardwood to ceramic, tile, plastic, marble, metal, and steel. It has a safety lock on it, an adjustable blade guard that can cut up to 1 inch deep. And you can get your very own Rotorazer Platinum by going to www.buyrotorazer.com. I'm extremely satisfied with how my project turned out using the Rotorazer. It did everything I needed to. I got all my cuts out of using just one small saw. I didn't have to bring out any other tools. On a scale, I would give it a 4.6. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and get more videos on DIY projects and DIY products. And also hit the bell notification to get notified when we have more videos available for you. So that's it. Tell me what you think of my project. Give it a thumbs up if you like. Tell me what you're working on. Leave it in the comments below.